Aman, wasn't that game of cricket fun? You nearly hit a 6.
Yeah, it was awesome. I just need to work on my timing a bit. By the way, did you understand today's maths lesson on 5-digit and 6-digit numbers?
It was a bit confusing. Let's review it together. How about starting with 5-digit numbers? What comes after 9,999?
That would be 10,000, the first 5-digit number.
Oh, understood.
Will you be able to represent the 5-digit number on the Indian place value chart and to read and write the number?
Sure.
The Indian place value chart is divided into periods like ones and thousands. The number 43,436 can be written as per the Indian place value chart as shown below. Now remember, start from the rightmost place. O is called ones, T is called tens, H is called hundreds, TH is called thousands, and TTH is called 10,000s. The place values are divided into periods. The first three, H, T, O, make the ones period. The next two, TH and TTH, make the thousands period. To read numbers easily, we use commas after every period. So, for the number 43,436, we can write it as 43,436 as per the Indian place value chart and read it as 43,436.
Got it!
Can you explain the concept of place value?
Yes, the place value of a digit in a number is the value it holds based on its position. For example, in the number 43,436, the place value of the digit 4 in the hundreds place is 400.
So, the digit 4 in the 10,000s place means 40,000.
Exactly. The face value of a digit is the digit itself, while the place value depends on its position. For example, in the 5-digit number 43,436, the face value of the 4 in the 10,000s place is 4, but its place value is 40,000.
I see. So, in the 5-digit number 45,768, the face value of 7 is 7 and its place value is 700.
That's correct. Now, let's talk about the expanded form and standard form of a 5-digit number. Expanded form is writing a number by showing the value of each digit. For example, 43,436 is equal to 40,000 plus 3,000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 6. And the standard form is how we usually write the number 43,436.
Oh, so for another 5-digit number like 45,768, the expanded form would be 45,768 is equal to 40,000 plus 5,000 plus 700 plus 60 plus 8, and the standard form is just 45,768.
Exactly. Now let's move to 6-digit numbers. What comes after 99,999?
That would be 1 lakh. The first 6-digit number, it's also called 1 lakh in the Indian system.
Yes, we can extend the Indian number system beyond thousands to include lakhs for 6-digit numbers. The lakhs period comes after the thousands period and has 2 places. In this extended place value chart, we add L for lakhs and TL for 10 lakhs. To write a 6-digit number, we place commas from the rightmost side after 3 places and then after every 2 places. For example, 786,432 can be written as 7,86,432 and read as 7,86,432.
Can we try reading some numbers?
Sure, let's read these. 43436, 43,436. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1,23,456.
This makes sense. Can we try the expanded form of a 6-digit number too?
Absolutely. Take the 6-digit number 1,23,456. Its expanded form is 1 lakh plus 20,000 plus 3,000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 6.
Got it. Can you explain how to compare numbers?
Sure. To compare numbers, first check the number of digits. The number with more digits is always greater. If the numbers have the same number of digits, compare the digits from the leftmost place one by one. The number with the greater digit at the first point of difference is the greater number. For example, consider the numbers 45,678, 345,678 and 45,698. 345,678 has more digits, so it is the greatest number. Now compare 45,678 and 45,698. Start from the leftmost digits. The digits are the same until the tens place. At the tens place, 7 is less than 9. So, 45,698 is greater than 45,678. So, the order is 45,678 less than 45,698 less than 345,678.
Got it. Can we form the smallest and largest 5-digit numbers using 3, 0, 8, 5 and 1?
The smallest number we can form is 10,358. We begin with the smallest non-zero digit and arrange the rest in ascending order. The largest number is 85,310. Here we place the digits in descending order, starting with the largest digit.
Let us practice rounding off.
To round off a number to the nearest given place value, look at the digit to its right. Let us round 43,462 to the nearest 10. Look at the ones digit, which is 2. Since 2 is less than 5, we keep the tens digit the same and change the ones digit to 0. So, the number becomes 43,460. Now, let us round 43,468 to the nearest 10. Look at the ones digit, which is 8. Since 8 is greater than or equal to 5, we increase the tens digit by 1 and change the ones digit to 0. So, the number becomes 43,470. This helps us get an approximate value quickly.
How would you round 1,23,472 to the nearest 1,000?
Look at the hundreds place. Since it's 4, which is less than 5, we round down. So, 1,23,472 rounded to the nearest 1,000 is 1,23,000.
That makes sense. What about 47,289 to the nearest 10,000?
Look at the thousands place. It's 7. So we round up. 47,289 rounded to the nearest 10,000 is 50,000.
Thanks, Urvashi. This really helped. One last question. What's the largest 6-digit number?
That would be 9,99,999. And do you know what comes next?
Is it 10 lakh? That's called 10 lakh in the Indian system, right?
Correct. You are getting it. Shall we have some snacks to celebrate our maths progress?
Absolutely. Maths practice and cricket. What a great day.